ChatGPT analysis of on-chain data by Pepe, Floki, and Pomerdoge before the next gas station. Since it came out in November 2022, investors have been using ChatGPT because it gives correct data analysis. We asked ChatGPT which meme coins we should buy now in case the market goes up. Pepe, Floki, and Pomerdoge, POMD, are the three tokens that ChatGPT has mentioned. Bulls and bears fight for the top spot, Pepe. In the last 24 hours, the fight between bulls and bears on the Pepe market has heated up. The price has been going back and forth between $0.00001135 and $0.00001186, which are the support and resistance levels. The price of Pepe, as of today, is $0.00000112. This is a drop of 1.71% in the last 24 hours. The 7-day chart for Pepe shows that it has lost even more money. At its highest point, Pepe went up to more than $0.00004354. The price of the token went down, and there has been a lot of negative opinion about it. Pepe's problems are linked to the problems that the Bitcoin market as a whole is having right now. Regulatory uncertainty, changes in market mood, and macroeconomic factors are some of them. If buyers are able to push prices above $0.00001186, the next important level of support to watch is around $0.00000012. If sellers are able to push prices below the $0.00001135 support level, on the other hand, the next important place to watch is around $0.00000110. Floki, trades drop by more than 50%. In the past few weeks, Floki, the cryptocurrency named after Elon Musk's Shiba Inu dog Floki, has seen a huge rise. Early this year, the team working on Floki Inu shared their ambitious plan for 2023, which includes major improvements to the Floki environment. The most important changes are the addition of a staking program, the start of a decentralized finance (DeFi) platform, the release of a debit card with a Floki theme, and updates to Floki's Web3 Valhalla game. Floki is now worth $0.00002191, which is a drop of 3.24% in the last 24 hours. The weekly chart for Floki also shows bearish signs, with a drop of 1.67%. Also, in the last 24 hours, the number of Floki trades has dropped by a significant 51.6%. This is a sign that the market is not as busy as it used to be. To beat Floki and Pepe, Pomerdoge, POMD. Pomerdoge, POMD, is a new memecoin that is exciting and looks like it will do well. It is different from Pepe and Floki because it has a strong community built around a play-to-earn (P2E) game and a busy marketplace called Pomerplace. In the Pomer game P2E game, people from all over the world can compete in a friendly way and win a lot of money. Pomerplace, on the other hand, is a busy market hub that makes it easy to buy, sell, and trade in-game items. POMD, Pomerdoge's native utility token, is a key part of all deals in the ecosystem. People who have a POMD will be able to receive exclusive rewards, special features, and other incentives for taking part. As a result, this will help make the group more active and alive. In the early stage one of the pre-sale, the price of a Pomerdoge unit is only $0.007, which is very tempting. ChatGPT said it would go up by 100 times in the next few months. So, smart investors are putting in more money to take advantage of the huge growth potential. Bitcoin price prediction as BTC jumps 2% in 24 hours, time to buy? The recent 2% rise in the price of Bitcoin in just 24 hours has made people wonder what it might mean for buyers. As the market continues to change, the question arises, does this rise mean that now is a good time to think about buying Bitcoin? We should find out. Michael Saylor's thoughts on the future of Bitcoin integration. In a recent radio interview, Michael Saylor, CEO of MicroStrategy, talked about how he sees the growing trend of big companies adopting Bitcoin and making it the center of their business. Saylor stressed that third parties and businesses will always be a part of the Bitcoin ecosystem. He said that as Bitcoin becomes more common in society, different ways to use it will come up, and a one-size-fits-all solution may not work. Saylor gave three main reasons why the Bitcoin space needs custodians: a technical, politics, and it's only. Saylor agreed that, from a political point of view, some government structures might make it necessary to rely on third-party guardians. On the technical side, he understood that Layer 3 third parties like Bank of America and Apple help make mobile crypto transfers work. Saylor also said that it might be safer for some people, like the elderly or those who want to make sure their assets are safe for future generations, to give their possessions to someone else. Saylor thinks that Bitcoin will have different ways of integrating, and that the market will figure out the best mix of institutional and self-sovereign ways. He said that people shouldn't be afraid of the many ways to integrate, because the changing Bitcoin market will naturally determine the best mix of ways to integrate. Price of Bitcoin. As of right now, the price of Bitcoin is $29,366. In the last 24 hours, $6.1 billion worth of Bitcoin has been traded. On CoinMarketCap, Bitcoin is at the top and has a market value of $571 billion. There are currently 19,455,681 BTC coins in circulation, but the most that can be made is 21 million BTC coins. How much will Bitcoin cost? Bitcoin's support level, which is around $29,200, hasn't changed, and neither has the technical picture for it. BTC is dealing with a neutral bias right now because it is hard for it to go above $29,600 in the next 4 hours. BTC could hit the $30,200 level if there is a bull ISH breakout above the $29,600 level. The price of Bitcoin has reached $29,200, which is a key retracement mark of 61.8%. Seeing doji candles close above this level could be a sign of a rising correction. But if the price falls below this point, it could go down to $29,250. On the other hand, if BTC can break through the barrier at $30,200, it could move up to between $30,600 and $31,000. It's important to keep in mind that the areas between $29,800 and $30,200 are very important.